Hi, this is Randall Murphy from the Pull Builder Key Customer Success Team. In this section, we're going to go over phase 5 of our quick setup guide, messaging and notifications. So this is going to be over under administration. So if you scroll down on your menu here, come down to messaging, that's where we're at. So if you're a brand new organization, you're most likely not going to have any templates in here already. So we're going to add one here, or add a few. So if you go over to library, this will show you some pre-formed ones or pre-made ones that we have. So we're going to do one for like a phase assign. So maybe I want my guy to get a notification once he's been assigned to a construction phase. So I'm going to go over here, click on this three-dot menu and say copy to my templates. And then maybe I want one for sales, like when a new sales lead comes in, copy that over as well. So if I click back on mine, this is going to show me the messages in my library. You can create one from scratch, but again, just to keep it simple for this demonstration, we're going to show you kind of how to do one here. Just edit this one. So you'll notice right now this visibility is set to private. So this needs to be published for this to actually go out. So we're going to open this up here. So I'm going to go to this customer phase assigned, or excuse me, construction phase assigned. Open this up. I'll get rid of copy here. And we're going to change this. So we're going to turn this on. It's published. By default, the email and SMS is on. If you want to push notification, you can turn that on as well. So right here, this is basically saying the message event is a customer, construction phase is assigned. We do have several different options here, and then you can create messages on your own. This trigger is basically just saying, hey, once this happens, it's going to trigger off a message there. We'll say on our new pool and spa, if you want to, different options here, you can have this set up, pick a phase, and then we'll just do here. There we go. We'll say, hey, maybe once your guy gets assigned to this, you want it for excavation, you want a notification. And so this is just going to have the subject that comes in the email. You could change this. You can add the project name in here. Just use these tokens. You could even put sign to. Put the face there. This will pull in these tokens once it sends these out. You can put any verbiage here you'd like. Again, this just kind of has the one we've already set. You've got these available tokens, and you can also use this for sending messages to customers. So if you want something to go to the customer, maybe once excavation's finished, you want a message to go to your customer saying with some instructions, or after gunite, to water gunite, etc. there. So that's basically that. So we'll just update that. Next thing we'll look at is this new web lead one that we had. So we're going to edit that one just like again. So if you want your salespeople to get notifications, or your sales manager, whoever you want, you can pick basically who's going to get these. So your project contacts, that's going to be who you've got set on that template. And then, so if your sales manager or admin, whoever you like, is set on that project or the sales template, they would all get a notification, this notification right here, basically the customer's first and last name, email, phone, everything. And again, you can change this to your own verbiage, whatever you want there. Just update that. And that's the basic of setting up message templates. If you'd like more in-depth training on this or have questions, just let us know.